Good morning, children, and welcome to my new class. So, today we'll be starting the revision. As I told you in my last class, the chapters which are going to come there for your final exams, I hope you have taken a note of all that. Today we'll be starting with the revision of A Narrow Fellow in the Grass. This is a poem and it is by Emily Dickinson. It falls under the unit 7. So now this poem is going to be there for your final exams. Now the important part. The important part is that you should remember the name of the poet. You have to remember the names, the meanings of all the words which are given at the back, and you should be thorough with the lines which have been already explained. Now, this tells us about a snake. A narrow fellow here refers to the snake, and how the poet encounters the snake, and what are the feelings that arouse in the mind of the poet, what all things that the poet thinks about the snake, what feelings are there in her mind. So, and how she compares the movement of the snake, the place where the snake is. Like she very clearly tells us that he likes a boggy acre. Boggy means a place which is wet. A floor too cool for corn. It means the floor should be cool. And whenever anybody who is barefoot goes there, then you often encounter the snake. So, here in this whole poem, the snake has been described, the movement of the snake, the place where it likes to be, and all such things. And moving on to understanding the poem, there are some of the questions which I have already discussed with you, but very briefly, I would like to just go through them. His notice sudden is. Who is he? So he is the snake. Where does one get to meet him? So one gets to meet him in the grass. Where does he go suddenly? So what does he do suddenly? So he suddenly appears and disappears. Second is, what is a boggy acre? So boggy acre refers to a wet land. Why might the narrow fellow like it? So the narrow fellow might like it because it is cool. Is it a sight? Is it a safe or dangerous for him? What makes it so? Now here it actually depends on your thinking. Some people might think that no, it is safe for him, and because it is full of grass. But some might say that it is not safe for him because it's a boggy acre and many people keep passing from there. Okay. In stanza 3, we get to know who the speaker in the poem is. Who is it? So it is a young boy. Now here a lot of confusion arises because the poet here is a girl, Emily Dickinson. But here she considers herself as a boy, and she presents herself as a boy. So these are the important things which are to be done. Which line shows that the boy tries to catch the narrow fellow? Does he succeed? No, he doesn't succeed. Which feeling do tighter breathing and zero at the bone suggest? So it suggests a feeling of fear. When does the speaker get this feeling? So the speaker gets this feeling when she encounters the snake. So I hope this is clear to you. These are the questions which are to be just understood by you, because you can write these answers in your own language. It is not important that you follow a particular language or you learn the answers. I would appreciate it if you are able to write the answers in your own language, in your own words. That would be more uh, appreciable. So I hope you have understood this and you'll go through it. So have a nice day and keep learning.